how to buy YEET token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before we go on buy this token, make sure that you get the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token, it's running number 6 in the bear chain section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the bear chain from here, as you can see, as a network. So after that, what you need to do, just select the bear chain and click on this plus icon and paste the token like this here, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and select the token, as you can see. Click here on swap. Now switch from here. So if you don't find your token here, what you need to do, go back to the screener and click on trade on Korea. Now click here to expand this window. Now wait a few seconds to be able to load this page. So after that, what you need to do, now connect your wallet from here. I will just show you the process from the start. I will just disconnect and connect again. So what you need to do, just click on connect and select your wallet from here. For example, Bitget wallet. Now after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, if you don't see the token here, go back to the screener and try to copy it again from here. Now go back and click here, as you can see. Now paste the token like this here and click on import. So after that, what you need to do, select the token that you want to buy, for example, Beara, and make sure that you have enough Beara token on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, now here click on stop and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy YEET token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.